Nuclear power has been a controversial topic since it was first introduced at the start of the 1950s. The discussion has centered, and indeed still does, around questions of how to ensure energy supply, how to protect the environment and dispose of nuclear waste, and last but not least, how to provide safety. 31 countries currently use nuclear power. Each of them maintains different technical, commercial, and social standards, has experienced its own history of introducing atomic energy, and perceives nuclear power in its own particular way. From initial euphoria to the current debates on scaling back or even expanding the nuclear power sector. Since its dawning days, there have always been opponents and advocates of nuclear power. Coordinated by the University Pompeu Fabra in Barcelona, the research project History of Nuclear Energy and Society, HoNESt for short, takes a new and transnational look at the history of how nuclear power has been used and its relationship with society. HoNESt analyzes 60 years of history, comparing experience acquired across more than 20 countries, alongside the role played by international organizations. A distinguishing feature of the project is its interdisciplinary approach. Experts from the history of science and technology, economic history, social movements, and engagement research from 23 partner institutions across Europe provide a whole array of different perspectives, collaborating closely to develop common research topics. How will the project proceed exactly? Historians will start with empirical research, delving into the archives, assessing written and audiovisual sources, and conducting interviews with different stakeholders. They will ask the same set of research questions in all of the countries to facilitate both comparisons and the tracing of transnational connections. Then they will input the findings into a database that will be used to write country reports. All of the researchers have access to this central database. They will analyze the historical experience using their disciplinary know-how. Their aim here is to tease out the multiple mechanisms that impact the relationship between society and nuclear power. In all of this, they will pay particular attention to historical transformation. For instance, how the role of the state, the economic climate, and energy prices have changed. The goal is a new comprehensive history of nuclear energy and its relationship with society. The findings will be made available to the public. HoNESt has initiated a sweeping program to discuss its findings with stakeholders from industry, politics, civil society, and the general public. The on- and offline program will include stakeholder engagement events, conferences, regular newsletters, films, podcasts, and also open access publications in first-rate international journals advancing the academic debate. HoNESt will yield new insight into how societies have perceived nuclear power so far. The findings and the new knowledge they present are intended to foster a culture of reflective communication. Be part of our intellectual journey.